Now that we can create a post with a category, let's finish up with the category logic and then the post creation logic. What we want to achieve is that when a post is created, we want to associate or push the post into the category. So on the front end, we can determine how many posts belongs to a category. If you check in the category model, which is this one, we have an array of posts, meaning that we are going to save the IDs of the post over here. And to get the total number of posts that belongs to a category, we can achieve this in so many ways. But this one is the first approach. So let's go ahead, and then after a post is created, we are going to push the post into the category. So over here, we're going to find the category by the category ID. Remember, this one is the ID of the category. So here we will say that, so up here, we can check for the category. So we will say that find, and it's going to be const category found is equal to await the category model dot find by ID. The ID is called the category. So in case we don't have the category found, then we will go ahead and then throw new error, and we will say that category not found. So down here, we are going to push the post into the category. So we say that category found dot post, and I'm going to use push and then push the category found dot underscore ID. And last step is that resave the category because we have made changes to the category as await the category found dot save. Awesome. So let's go ahead and then create a post. I'm gonna select HTML, and I will say just HTML here as my content, and then provide this image. And now it's loading. Please wait. And post has been created. If we fetch all categories under the HTML category, we have the post here. And one thing that we need to fix is that when we fetch all posts, we're going to see the category being associated. For this one, we don't have it. Let's look at the current ones. As you can see, we have the ID of the category, but not the name. So we have to convert this ID to the actual category. And Mongoose makes it easy by using a method called populate. Let's get into the fetching of all posts. Let me remove these locks and collapse this. And this is the fetching of all categories. So here we're going to use populate, and then make sure to populate the actual property on the post. As you can see here, it is called category. So pass in as that. Now if I fetch all the posts, and let's look at the current one on the category, we're going to see the actual name, which is the category name. So on the front end, we can display this. So let's get back to the front end, and let's click on latest post. Here we're going to display the category also. So let's find the component post and then post list. Over here we have the category somewhere here. Yeah, this one. So I can comment out, and now we are displaying the category name. With this one, save it, and now let's see for the last ones, and we have the category names here as HTML. If I go ahead and then create a new category, I will call this one as web security. And let me check on the creating of the post. I'm gonna see the web security here, and I will say, let me have some content, and I will say web security. And the image, let me use different image than always using this. I don't have much images on my computer. Yeah, let me use something like this. Okay, this, okay. And then let me add. Awesome. Now if I go to latest post, as you can see, we have web security as the category. Let's continue in the next video.